Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT not working on iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen and select iCloud. Scroll through the iCloud features until you find Private Relay. Tap on it and make sure Private Relay is turned off. This can sometimes interfere with apps connecting properly. Next, return to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap General. Then select iPhone storage. Here you'll see a list of installed apps. Locate ChatGPT in the list. If you don't see it immediately, tap Show All to display every application. Once you find ChatGPT, tap on it and select Offload App. Confirm by tapping Offload again. This removes the app temporarily while keeping its data. After a few seconds, tap Reinstall App and wait for it to download again. Once installed, return to your home screen and open ChatGPT to check if the issue is fixed. If the app still doesn't work, open ChatGPT, tap the settings menu, and sign out of your account. Then sign back in to refresh the connection. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT not working on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.